Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Mazda CX-9 key. Start by finding the release button and sliding out the mechanical key first. Next, separate the fob halves slowly with a thin, flat tool, keeping clips aligned. Remove the old battery carefully and note the battery orientation before replacing it. Finally, snap the case closed and test the key to ensure the buttons and remote functions work correctly. Gather a small flathead or plastic pry tool and a soft towel to protect the fob surface. Place the fob on the towel to prevent scratches and to keep screws or clips from rolling away. Confirm the replacement battery type, typically CR2025 or CR2032, by checking the old battery marking. Working slowly and deliberately reduces the chance of breaking clips or misplacing tiny parts during the process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing useful car tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is a handy pick for your garage or workshop, offering clear sound and voice control to play How to Guides hands-free. Check the description for the link and other deals on related tools and accessories. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start by pressing the small release button and sliding out the mechanical key to expose the fob seam. Next, use a flat tool to gently work around the edges and free each clip without bending plastic. Remove the old battery and replace it with the correct battery type, observing polarity. Finally, realign the case halves, press firmly until you hear the clips engage, reinsert the mechanical key, and test the remote functions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.